Hello and welcome to FitbeWell Recipes. Hope you're doing awesome. If you're in India, you know winter is finally here and it also happens to be the season of the Indian gooseberry or amla. Although seasonal, amla is a superfood that suits almost all people irrespective of their health conditions. More so, it's an abundant source of vitamin C and an integral ingredient of immunity boosting Chyawanprash. Amla has a seducing sweet and tangy flavor, and today we'll see how to make a tasty jam out of amla without using refined sugar. This can also be modified further to make gooseberry pops that kids will totally love. So let's get started. For this, I've taken about 350 grams of boiled gooseberries. I've boiled these for about 10 to 12 minutes and they aren't too soft. When your amla remains firm like this, it usually retains its characteristic taste throughout the jam making process. Dates are healthy and I love dates. I've used about 6 to 7 soaked dates. I'm using jaggery as the main sweetener. I'm gonna use cardamom powder. If you don't like, you may skip. Since I like finding cashews in my amla jam, I've used it. However, you can skip this as well. This recipe is also more or less a rendition of the amla halwa. So first I start discarding all the seeds from the gooseberries. Like this. And now I'm going to put them all into the mixer to grind. I'm adding all the ingredients except for the cardamom powder and the cashews. To make a puree out of this, I'm just adding a little bit of water. Let's blend them all. Okay, so the amla puree looks like this. Alright, I'm going to heat a kadhai. I'll add a few tablespoons of ghee. Adding the cashews. And I'm waiting for them to turn brown. After which I'll add the pureed gooseberries. Let's start stirring slowly. Like a typical jam making procedure, this process involves stirring and cooking the mixture till it thickens to form a jam-like consistency. Let's keep stirring. By the way, let me tell you that adding ghee only enhances the flavor here. But if you want to skip ghee totally, you can do this in a non-stick pan instead. So our mixture has started to thicken slowly. So I'm being extra careful to not let the bottom get burnt. I'm adding the cardamom powder now. Let's continue to mix steadily. We are almost halfway through. As we can see that the mixture has already started to get thicker and darker as well. Alright, so the last few minutes to go and our jam is almost done. There we go, let's put off the flame. Time to pour this into a bowl. You can store this in a glass container and use it as a side with your rotis, parathas or even dosas. Spread it on your bread or even have it like a dessert. I'm sure you'll love it. With refrigeration, this stays fresh for at least 1 month. Like how it looks? If you heat the jam further to a more thick and solid consistency, you get to roll the amla mixture into balls and can serve them as pops for your kids. Well, my daughter is really fond of these. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. Also let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell icon. Check out my website FitbeWell where I talk about health, fitness and recipes. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and until then, take care and bye-bye.